现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家來講客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine. And this month, we're teaching you a Hakka phrase that is sort of an exclamation, like when you say something is great, excellent, or awesome. 好棒哦，怎麼說？
很不喲，
很不喲。你知道嗎 ，Alice？ 有一些人對運動的堅持哦，真的很敬佩。就是天氣再怎麼冷哦，都還是要出去
運動跑
步啦，甚至游泳的也有。
真的
好冷哦，怎麼可能？我們今天就來教這樣子的一個對話好了。關於有朋友要去跑步，但是很冷，然後覺得好棒哦那樣子。
好啊。
Okay, let's listen to this conversation about a friend who is still going to go exercise in cold weather.
今晡日係寒哦，你要去走走啊麼？
當然要，今晡日走了5公里。
寒不喲，你都唔會難死。
But let's break the sentences one by one right here, okay? 第一句就是今天好冷哦，你有去跑步嗎？ It's so cold today. Did you go jog?
今晡日很寒哦，
今晡日很寒哦，
要去走走啊麼？
要去走走啊麼 ？OK， 就是去走走嘛，
去跑步。
走走應該是跑啦，不是走走。Okay, 走走 means to run or to jog, not to walk because it sounds like that in Mandarin. And then 今天好冷哦。
今晡日很寒哦，
很寒哦 that means very cold, yeah? Well, the friend says, yes, of course, and I ran 5 kilometers. 哦，聽說他還跑了5公里哦。
對呀。
當然有，今天跑了5公里。
當然要。
當然要。
今晡日走了5公里。
今晡日走了5公里。5公里啊，
對呀。
那對方就回答，好棒哦 ，very good, excellent. 你都不會懶惰 ，you're not lazy at all.
很不喲。
很不喲。
都唔會難死。
都唔會難死。You're not even lazy at all in this cold weather. 非常非常棒。好，那我們就來 highlight 幾個單字好了 ，OK？ 好冷哦 ，so cold。
很寒哦。
很寒哦 ，OK, it means very cold. To go run 跑步。
走走啊。
走走啊 ，OK, that means to run or to jog a little bit. And finally, how about lazy 懶惰？
難死。
難死 ，OK, don't be a lazy bug. Go exercise, that's important, even if you have to do it indoors, OK? Let's listen to the conversation again.
今晡日係寒哦，你要去走走啊麼？
當然要，今晡日走了5公里。
寒不喲，你都唔會難死。
And this whole month, we're teaching you the phrase 好棒哦 that means excellent or great.
很不喲。
很不喲 And there you have it, another practical Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.